just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington car wash man. There's a car wash man channel, and it's also a Facebook also too, or if you just want to Google, there's hundreds of videos. Over here in Sequim, Washington, just finished washing this car. I'm going to wax it and do the interior. Just wanted to show you, I think this is the most expensive car. One of the, I'm not sure, it's probably one of the most expensive cars that I do. Let's see. I just wanted to show you before I wax it. And do the interior. So I spent 2 hours washing this car. That's normal. I spend 2 hours washing a car, but this one is different. It's so low to the ground, and there's so many different little details that you got to take care of. And you can't wash them fast, otherwise they don't come out right. Get all the dust off the inner wheel. I do that on every car, but this one particularly, you have to clean the metal and the bright colors in there, and got to get the inner part of the wheel too. And you got to get in there real good. It's an interesting car. It's Porsche. So I'll take an after picture too for you. Take a look at the inside. It's real quick. Do a lot to these seats and clean up everything and make it all brand new in here again. So I am. I get warm. I got layers too, so I'm very warm right now. Oh, I got coffee and water and everything. Thank you very much. So I'll take an after video. You guys have a great day.